Hey guys, Lucas here. Thanks for tuning back to my channel. As you can tell, got another project. This is a 1985 MARUI Galaxy RS. So this is a second version of the Galaxy. The first version was the red frame with a smaller motor that had the 360 motor in it. This has the 540 RS Mabushi. Uses a semi-type tub chassis that they got from the MARUI Hunter that was out in '84. Very neat design. More rear inboard motor design configuration, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. I've never drove one of these cars, so maybe you guys could tell me how it drives. I'm kind of curious. I definitely will find out in the next video how it drives. But yeah, I'm hoping good. I'm thinking it will. Got the independent suspension. The motor is more in the middle, more in the rear, so it's more mid-engine. So pretty cool detail work. Looks like aluminum drive shafts here, axles. So a lot of R&D went in this one, that's for sure. So yeah, pretty cool. I would have liked to have the first version first for you guys, but those are just very hard to come by. And a Galaxy in itself is very hard to find. So I hurried up and grabbed this one off eBay. I think I got it for around 80 bucks or so. Got a wing for it. This one's, you can tell, is all messed up. By Team Blue Groove. It's an exact replica of this one. So that's pretty cool. Can't get any parts for these anymore. The company doesn't make this car no longer. So that's a bummer. But I do see parts from time to time on eBay, so you can find them, but they are expensive. So we're gonna strip it all down, take all the parts out, wash them really good, and yeah, do some paint work on the new wing, take the decals off, and we're probably going to clear this frame because it's a little dried looking, and I think once we put a nice shiny coat of clear on it, it'll look really good. So yeah, should be pretty cool. I definitely do think the blue is more attractive than the original red frame. I think it just stands out with the white rims and then that wing. So should be pretty cool. A lot of fun. So that's pretty much it. If you can, please hit a like. And I'd love for you to subscribe. You're not going to want to miss what this guy's going to be all about in the next video, which is going to be a total strip down, repaint, and then a running review. Alrighty guys, take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.